Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to take a look at this 1982 Nissan Skyline R30 from Hot Wheels. This is part of the Factory Fresh series, number 10 of 10 from that series. And it's got some really good card art, nice 80s style car with some cool detail. And as we can see, let's get a better look at it by opening it up. So here we have our 1982 Nissan Skyline R30 out of its packaging, and we can see these great shiny gold rims that it has. We saw that in the card art, and this nice glossy red paint. It's not a metallic paint, it's just a nice glossy paint, and there are some other color variations of this one, but this is the red with the gold wheels. And if we look on the side, we can see it says turbo and has some other details down here. Painted door handles, which is a nice touch, and then painted A-pillar trim. Very cool. If we look at the top, we can see it's got the detail for the sunroof and some hood and trunk details, which is really nice. And we take a look at the front, the grille. Kind of hard to see, it's black plastic molded, but there's some headlights and bumper detail. Not a lot, but there are some. The passenger side is very similar to the driver's side. This car, the driver is on the right-hand side because it's a Japanese car. And we can also see it's got the little wing at the back, which is a nice touch, very stock look. And then on the back, it's got these great Skyline taillights, the big round taillights, and even a decal for the license plate, which is a nice touch. This is a really cool car. It's a decent size and it rolls really well. I really like it because it looks like it will be a fast car down the track, and I can't wait to see how it does against all of the other JDM kind of cars that we have. This is a classic Japanese car, and there are different versions of the Skyline, and this is an older one than 1982, but I really like it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked our video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and a comment down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. We'll see you on the next video.